Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today we're at the La Valencia Hotel in the beautiful La Jolla Cove. We just finished an installation here, and today we're going to be talking about how long a synthetic grass installation will take. When installing artificial lawn, there's a few factors that come into play when you determine how long your project might take. The first is going to be the size of the area, how many square feet you actually have to replace. If you have extensive removal, that's another factor that plays into our installation process. The last thing, if there's any type of special work, if you have flagstone in place that we're going to be cutting around or installing any type of lawn ornaments or boulders, all that kind of stuff takes additional time. When installing a synthetic grass putting green, the timetable changes a little bit. One is how extensive the undulation is in the green. Two is the amount of cups, flags, and poles that are being installed. And then three is the fringe material that goes around the outside of the green to make sure that that looks as natural as possible. Another thing to keep in mind when you're planning for your synthetic grass installation is the accessibility to the area. If we're going downstairs, we might have to bucket the material down. That'll take a little bit longer. If we're doing a rooftop or a balcony, we might have to get a crane and get that boomed up to the top, and that also will take additional time. We hope that this video was informative for you and that you can understand a general timetable of how long your synthetic grass project will take. Please like and subscribe and come back for the next video.